Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tobiii Wonder. I'm a startup YouTuber from Nigeria, and in my last video I showed you guys exactly how you can use Canva.com for free to create logo for your businesses and for your startup brand. And in that particular video I promised my viewers that I was going to show you guys a more profitable and valuable part of Canva.com. To be honest with you guys, Canva.com is very dynamic, and there's so much that you can actually do on Canva.com. And if you actually add these tools you have on Canva.com with a little bit of marketing and a little bit of branding, you can actually start a business just through this platform. And during the pandemic period, I started the business, and I'll show you guys exactly how I did it, and the result I generated from what I did during the pandemic period. So basically, during the pandemic period, everybody was at home due to the coronavirus, so people were limited to working from home and all that. So people started having like new ideas and new initiatives on how to generate revenue and income from home. And this was one of the reasons why I actually discovered this platform. So what I did during the pandemic period was that I created a CV brand, which I'll show you guys the Instagram page I created for that brand, just to show you guys proof of the work that was done. I created a CV brand, and I used that CV brand. I promoted the page on IG, and I had some leads. I had people come to my DM. They wanted to create CVs, and all I had to do was come to Canva.com and use this particular platform to create massively interesting design and templates. You will be wowed by the amount of templates, the amount of format that are already existing on Canva.com. So, like I said, I was going to show you guys exactly what I did, how I did it, and so that you guys can actually try this and start making revenue for yourself. So first and foremost, let me first show you guys the Instagram page I created for this particular brand. So if I go to Instagram.com slash Wonder CVs, yeah, okay, loading. Okay, so this is exactly the page that I used during the pandemic period to promote the brand, and I'll show you guys the promoted articles and then the organic articles. So this is an example of an organic article. You can check the engagement. It has 6 engagements. This has 6 engagements. This has 5 engagements. But this, on the other hand, has 38 engagements. Yeah, this is an article that I promoted. I created this article. It is 10-page slider, has 10 different images in it. I created this simple text: upgrade your CV today. You deserve equality for that job, and other stuff. I put that together. I promoted this on Instagram.com. I think I spent a total of around 4,000-5,000 naira, which should be around $10-15 to promote this article, and I got this result and had massive result. And this was not the only article I promoted. I promoted this. I also promoted one other one. I promoted this as well. You can see the engagement is a little bit high. I have 31 likes on this. Most of these were promoted engagement. So you can see this is what I did with the brand during the pandemic period. And then let me show you guys a sample of this. Is something I'll show you guys like a more clear and detailed version of the samples I did, but this is some of the work I did for people. This is also some of the work I did for people. I wasn't really active on this particular trade for a long time, so after a couple of time I just stopped, and I just started doing other stuff because I do a whole lot of things too. So that is that with this page. I just wanted to show you guys as proof that I had this page on. I had about 87 followers, and I had 22 followings, and I have like 7 posts on the page with a little bit of just something that in my bio shows, okay, this is what my business represents, this is what I'm all about. I had that in my bio, and then let's just get to it. Let me just show you guys exactly how I did what I did. So this is the first page. I started by creating a brand for it. I named my brand Wonder CVs. I created this CVs using Canva.com. So you guys can see it looks so simple, so unique, and so lovely on my page. So really, you can actually do so much on Canva.com. You understand? You can do so much on Canva.com. There's so much you can actually leverage on using the platform Canva.com for free, not even the paid version, for free. So now let me show you guys exactly how you can also create CVs brand that look exactly like this, and how you can also get people to pay you for your services and all. So let me close this page and go back to this page. So I want to work on resume, yeah. So all I have to do is come here and search for resume. So you can see resume here. If you don't see resume here, you can easily come to the search bar and search resume. It's the same way. It shows you. I think my network is a little bit slow. My signal is a little bit slow today, but okay. So we're on. So it shows you resume here. Yeah. So you can see all this. But on a good day, you should see it on this page. Yeah. But in case you don't see You can always search for it. So now Canva.com, how do you get a Canva.com account? It's as simple as creating a Facebook account. What you have to do is go to Canva.com, and on the home page you just have to sign up. You click on the sign up buttons, ask for your information, your name, your date of birth, your email address, and then your password, and then you create a password for it and click on the sign up button, and then you have to activate your account by going back to your email address to click the activation link and get your email verified. And after that, you have a Canva.com account, and on your first login or subsequent login, it takes you to the home page, which is exactly this particular page that we are on. So from here, I'll just scroll down to this page. I'll show you guys, in case you don't see it on this particular part, you can always search for it using this, but since I have it here, let me just click on this. So now we go to resumes here. Okay, I promised you guys I was going to show you guys a couple of stuff that I did to actually show you guys that work was done on Canva.com. And Canva.com has a way of keeping your track record of all the activities you had in the previous time. So now I'll show you guys. If I go to my design, this is my design, your design, and I click on see all, it shows me every single thing that I've actually done, created, edited, or put on the Canva.com platform. These are kind of things. I actually made the thumbnail for this particular video using Canva.com, so you guys can see exactly how beautiful this is. And this is the thumbnail you will see on this particular video when I actually get to upload it. You understand? This is another thumbnail I did for a video that is already on my YouTube channel. So this is a CV brand that I did. I would have loved to zoom in this CV brand, but at the same time, I don't want you guys to have like full information about the people that I created CV for. I have to keep them as anonymous as possible because this particular video has nothing to do with them, and they actually paid me for this service, so I shouldn't give out, and I'm not like authorized to give out their information to you. But I'll show you guys here. From here, if I'll zoom in a little bit for you guys so you guys can see. You can see I did this on the Canva.com app. I did this as well on the Canva.com app. You can see here. Sorry, that was a message from my phone. You can see here as well. I did this as well using the Canva.com app. I don't want to show you guys the full info. That's why I'm giving you guys bit by bit. Okay, I did this for myself using the Canva.com app. You can see that. You can see how beautiful it looks, how professional it looks. I can actually give you guys this information because this is about me. So I created this for myself, and then had like two different formats here. I had the blue and the white, then I had this red. And just look at this. This is actually something very nice, very beautiful. And then all you have to do is just download like these pages I want to download. But since this particular video is not about me, let me just close this page and then let me take you guys to how you all can also start and get this type of result. So create a design. I go back to my home page, and on my home page, I scroll through my home page and look for resume, and I click on this button. By the time I click on this button, it brings me back to the design page. On this page, you get to make the magic happen. You get to design, and basically this is actually so simple because you are not doing too much. Canva.com already has a template lined up for you. All you have to do is just copy and paste, edit, take out, replace, modify, and that is it. You are good to go. So I won't be wasting your time so much, guys. I'll be showing you guys basically simple and easy ways to actually get these things done. For the fact that it took me time to actually design a CV because there was days that I spent 3 to 4 hours working on a CV before I could actually get like the result I wanted from the CV. But at the same time, it's not so much of a complex work. It just takes your time, and if you are getting paid value for your time, then I feel like it is worth it because at the end of the day, time is money. So if you click on, so right here you have so many different formats that you can see. This I recently used. Let me just click on see all. Then it tries to show me a couple of things that I can actually use. So you can see there are so many templates right here that you can actually choose from. So let me just choose a particular template, any template, and then I'll show you guys how the modification works. There's not so much that you need to know. I'll just show you guys how you can change in the pictures, how you can cut in some of the designs, and how you can change the text, which is not really hard, as simple as using a WordPress.com or a Word document file or a PDF file. So you click on this. Let's say for instance, this is the design and template that I want to use for my business. I just create this, and it brings out the design out. Now let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. I want you guys to get the full. Okay, so this is the full image, so you guys see how beautiful, how professional this is. I don't have to do like so much. All I have to do is just make modifications. So what do I want to modify? First, I want to modify the pictures. I want to modify the name using the information of the person I have on my CV. using that information and replacing them with this. So what I can just do to change the image, all you have to do is click on the image and then you upload whatever image you want to use. You click on upload media here and then it takes you to your computer. You can just choose okay, let me just do this for instance. This is just an example. So if I do that, it shows me this right here, and then clicking on this, all I have to do is for this to upload. Now it's uploaded. I click on it, it brings it to the page. Then I just drag this and put it right inside this box, and then just like that, the image is changed. You understand? So this is just so simple. It's not complex at all. It's something you can do. You can really leverage on. I did marketing for just a couple of days. I made a ton of money from it. So imagine how I was actually focused on it. But during that pandemic period, I had so much I was doing. I was texting forex too. I was trying something with the forex market. So I had a lot on my table. I couldn't just continue or dedicate my time to this particular business. But if you have the time to dedicate to this business, there's no limit to how much you can actually make from doing this every day. So now I've showed you guys how to change the pictures. I'll show you guys how to change the names as well. Just tap here and then change the name to whatever you want. So let me say Wonder Max. Okay, Wonder Max. In the middle of this video, you guys might actually like get the sound of me typing, but it's always like that because I'm using the mic attached to my system. So like that, you get the system sound in the video sound. But I'll make this as quick as possible so you guys don't get enough of those sounds. Let me zoom in a little bit because I'm trying to change or modify this text. So what you have to do is come to these pages here. Already, whoever is paying you to get a CV done for them, to get a resume done for them, has to give you a couple of information. So all you have to do is just copy and paste that information here. You understand? Just copy and paste that information here. So the only thing that is actually changing, the only thing that's actually different is the information that you have on your customer's resume, and then you're bringing those informations here and changing them to fit in with your customer's desires, and just like that you export this file for them and you get paid money, you get paid value, you get paid money for your value rather. So you guys can see it's actually very easy. All I have to do is come here, I change his name. I can say, oh, my name is Matthew and I'm a YouTuber. I can see it. Let me zoom in very clearly. I use a mark so I can see it. Okay, Matthew, I'm a YouTuber. Let's type in this YouTuber. And I would really love to apply for a position in your organization. So you guys can see it's as easy as that. You can actually just modify these things, you can change these things, you can also change the colors because sometimes you might not actually like the color. So you can actually work on this. You can tap this button, go to colors, select whatever color you want. If you don't find the color you want here, just click on this button and then you have this whole color to choose from. Then you can choose whatever color you want and then you save it like that. So let me change this to blue for instance. I click on this and I go to blue and then boom, it's blue. You guys can see that. You can also increase the text size. Sorry, I'm zooming in and zooming out. I use a mouse, so it's very easy for me to zoom in. You can also increase the text size by coming here, increase the text size. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can define how you want the text organized. Do you want it aligned to the middle, aligned to the left, or just like this, or you want justifications on it, or you want to add bullets to it, you can add that too. You can really do so much on this platform. You can change the line spacing, you can add some effects to it. You can really do so much. You can just look at this. You can actually do this and then have this result. So there's really so much you can do using this particular platform. I created so many beautiful designs for people, and in a way I feel like I actually want to do this all over again. I continue my ads on Instagram and see if I can get more leads, but all it takes is it really takes a whole lot of my time, and because I'm into so many stuff right now and my time is really occupied, so I don't have that much time to give this particular brand, you understand? But this is exactly what I did during the pandemic, and I made a whole lot of money. Now let me take you guys back to my design page, and I'll show you guys how. I'll tell you guys exactly how much I made designing each CV. I can't. The figures were actually random because I lost track, but for some I'm so sure about. I did this for around $17 because this was one of the most hardest CVs I ever did. There were so much modifications I had to make. You can see the pictures in it. So this was one of my like this was the most expensive CV I did. I got paid $17 for this. I spent about 6 hours on this particular CV because the customer just kept like having so much things to input in that were not on his previous CV. So I had to take my time to do all that and put that together. That was $17 from this particular CV. And from this particular CV, I charged about $15 or so for this particular CV. It wasn't as complex as the other one, but I charged for this particular one. I charged just $10 for this because it's actually very easy and just a one-page CV. There was really little work I did. I just had to edit it, change the color, add the pictures, and I was good to go. These are samples logos that I've designed on my Canva.com account. You see this logo looks so professional. This also looks so professional, and they were all done on this particular platform for free. I designed the logo for myself, so I didn't pay myself for this, but I did this for myself. Um, which other one did I do? I did a couple of stuffs. I did this also for someone. I've forgotten how much I charged for this, but I did it also for someone. So yeah, I have a whole lot of design that I did for people during the pandemic period, and I made a ton of money. So you guys can also decide to do this and make money using Canva.com for free. So this is it, guys. This is exactly what you can do and how you can go about it. And then I'll show you guys, like I showed you guys, the Instagram page that I use for my business card. All I did was create an Instagram account, going to Instagram.com, had like registered an account with my email address, put it up. I followed a bunch of people because you have to follow people to get followers as well. So I followed a whole lot of people that were in line with what I was doing at that time. I followed basically people that were connected to CV brand and all, and then just like that, I had something going on. I put up some posts. I promoted this post using the Instagram boost button, and I promoted this post. I got a little bit of engagement. I got a whole lot of messaging. Of course, it's marketing. You get a whole lot of message, and not everybody actually ends up patronizing you. So people promise to patronize you, but they don't patronize you. But at the end of the day, as long as you're making profits, you are still doing well. You understand? So yes, guys, this was exactly how this happens. Most of these adverts you see were actually done using Facebook.com because I don't really like Instagram direct marketing. So I do Facebook most of the time, but you can also do Instagram direct marketing. In the future, I'll be showing you guys exactly how to run Facebook ads. Very simple way, very not complex, just simple way to create a Facebook ad campaign, get results from it, and then just make money and make sales and not just waste money on adverts or on marketing. But this is not a discussion for this day because I would not like to waste too much of your time. But in case you don't already know anything about Instagram marketing and Facebook marketing, comment in the comment section below. Just say marketing, and I'll get to you. I'll show you guys. I already have a video I did one time. I could literally give you the link to watch that video and learn how you can do Facebook ads and Instagram ads. But for today, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you for sticking around to the end. And please don't forget to give me the thumbs up for this particular content and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. Turn on the notification bell so that any single time I post the content, you will get notified by YouTube. Thank you guys. It's been a pleasure serving you. Good day.